Adidas expands its City series with the bold Superstar Berlin, a sneaker that channels the German capital's underground rave culture and avant-garde edge. The pair features a pebbled black leather upper accented by metal studs on the tongue tag and stripes, giving it a rebellious street-ready vibe. Adding to the gritty details, Berlin is stamped in dark gray serif font across the backtabs, tongue, and even a custom hangtag. A metal grate-inspired dubrae reinforces the industrial aesthetic, while the overall look balances fashion-forward attitude with nightlife-inspired energy. Whether hitting the city streets or a late-night dance floor, this Superstar edition is built for both. Retailing at $140, the sneaker officially launches August 14 worldwide, with the US release date still unconfirmed. With this design, Adidas cements its role in telling metropolitan stories through footwear, blending heritage with urban rebellion.